Samantha, honey, we've got a doctor's appointment.
Mom, I told you. I go by Shadow now.
Okay, Shadow, but we still have a doctor's appointment.
You called the doctor, woke him up, said, Doctor, ain't there nothing I can take? I said, Doctor.
Hi, I'm Dr. Phil, Philium, and I'm an endocrinologist. And today, I have a patient, Seth, Shadow. Let's see what's wrong with her. I'm about to go to a doctor's appointment, and you see, I'm kind of worried because, well, as you can see, I'm a little bit overweight because I eat lots and lots of junk food. I can't help it if I love potato chips, okay? They're really delicious. Okay? Hello, Mrs. Walters. I've finished testing Samantha, and it turns out she has type 2 diabetes.
Diabetes? So, what's up?
I brought you out here today to tell you they have type 2 diabetes.
What? How?
Well, you are considered obese, and you have unhealthy eating habits.
What am I supposed to do about it?
Well, first of all, you start eating more healthy. No more junk food.
As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever.
Where is the moment we need it the most? You kick up the leaves and the